Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, January 20th, 2025, we're analyzing Bitcoin, the BTCUSD. Recent news shows a surge in Bitcoin's price, potentially linked to President-elect Trump's reported plans for a crypto executive order. This positive sentiment is reflected across various news outlets, including CNBC and Forbes. Let's examine the daily chart. We observe a strong upward trend in the last few weeks, with significant price increases. The recent surge may be attributed to the positive news surrounding potential regulatory changes. Note the increase in volume during these upward movements, reinforcing the strength of the rally. However, we've also seen some short-term corrections which are natural in any market. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can zoom in on recent price action and see how the market reacted to specific news events. For example, we can clearly observe how the volume increased during the price spikes. In addition, we also observe short-term corrections, indicating healthy price consolidation. The shorter time frame adds valuable insight into the dynamics between bullish and bearish sentiment. Now let's switch to the 15-minute chart for an even more granular view of price fluctuations. We can analyze candle patterns and the volume, which helps us assess market sentiment and predict near-term movements. Note that with the increased granularity, it is easier to spot short-term corrections and also more likely to find entries or exits based on technical indicators. Returning to the daily chart, we can identify key support and resistance levels. A major support level is around 90,000, with resistance around 105,000. Breaking above the 105,000 level would confirm a stronger bullish trend. Otherwise, a dip below the 90,000 support will indicate bearish conditions. Price targets and trading plans depend on your personal risk tolerance. In conclusion, the current bullish trend for BTCUSD seems strong based on the price action across all timeframes. The positive news about potential regulatory changes adds to the optimism. However, the market's natural volatility must be considered when making trading decisions. Key support is around 90,000. Resistance is around 105,000. A close above 105,000 will likely see a further price increase, while a breakdown below 90,000 is a significant bearish sign. Keep an eye on news related to the Trump administration's potential crypto executive order, as well as general market sentiment and volume changes in the charts. Remember, this is an analysis, not a prediction. Always perform your own research before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.